Ready? Start. The second appeal has been dismissed by the Board of Revenue by the impugned order on 11th May 2011, holding that no substantial question of law was involved, and accordingly the orders dated 31/3/2011 and the order dated 27/12/2008 were upheld. Stop. The proceedings arose out of a suit under Section 176 of the U.P.Z.A. and L.R. Act for partition stop. The dispute further indicates that it centers around the property acquired under the sale deeds, wherein the respondents plaintiffs claimed equal shares to the extent of 1/7th share each, whereas the petitioners defendants contend that apart from the land under the sale deed dated 10/5/1988, where the shares have been indicated as 1/7th each. The share of the other parties, which was subject matter of different sale deeds brought on record through a short counter affidavit, have to be distributed by allocating 1/8th share to the contesting respondent numbers 1, 2, 3, whereas the petitioner numbers 4, 5 and 6 are entitled to 1/6th share each. Stop. The trial court proceeded with the matter, and from the order sheet it appears that the plaintiff's witnesses were being cross-examined. Stop. The order sheet dated 20th September 2008 indicates adjournments of the case on the ground of further cross-examination of the plaintiff's witnesses, and the date fixed was 25/9/2008. Stop. Next para. Learned counsel for the petitioner Sri S.K. Purwar contends that the dispute which was raised with regard to the shares could have been decided and adjusted only after the cross-examination of the plaintiffs' witnesses was completed, but without proceeding with the same and only fixing dates on the application. The suit was decreed on 27/12/2008, which prejudices the claim of the petitioners. Stop. He further submits that the petitioners have been denied the opportunity of cross-examination, and the trial court hastily proceeded to decree the suit, depriving the petitioners of the opportunity of putting the witness to cross-examination on that issue. Stop. Next para. A short counter affidavit has been filed by Sri Anupam Kulsestra, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of the respondents contesting herein, namely respondent numbers 4 to 7. Stop. He contends that the sale deeds that are being made the basis of the claim of the petitioners defendants do not indicate any specified share, and therefore a presumption in view of the provisions of Section 92 of the Indian Evidence Act is to be made that the plaintiffs and the defendants all had equal shares in the land which are subject matter of the said sale deeds, and hence the dispute which is now sought to be raised by the petitioners is purely unfounded, and proceedings are being pursued on a very highly technical ground. Stop. He contends that, as a matter of fact, the petitioners are trying to take undue advantage of the absence of one of the brothers of the answering respondents, and the shares were very well known at the time of execution of sale deed, which also stands corroborated by the sale deed dated 10th May 1988, whereby 1/7th share has been indicated in respect of all the parties. Stop. Next para. The second appeal has been dismissed by the Board of Revenue by the impugned order on 11th May 2011, holding that no substantial question of law was involved, and accordingly the orders dated 31/3/2011 and the order dated 27/12/2008 were upheld. Full stop. Thank you very much, guys. And guys, try to repeat the matter for your better accuracy. And there is one more request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.